At the National Institutes of Health, we see the promise of applying cloud computing to scientific research, and we believe that trying it should be simple, secure, and affordable for all biomedical researchers and students. That's why we created NIH Cloud Lab, a flexible, self-paced cloud training program that offers secure, no-cost access to Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. Each Cloud Lab account comes with credits that participants can use to build their skills and explore the research utility of the cloud for any life sciences discipline, from cryo-electron microscopy to clinical research, from omics to public health. Researchers and students who want a structured, self-paced training experience can use their credits to explore Cloud Lab's rich collection of interactive, researcher-developed tutorials on topics like RNA sequencing and single-cell RNA sequencing analysis, biomarker discovery, medical image segmentation, and so much more. Unlike traditional cloud training, which tends to cater to IT professionals and focus only on learning cloud concepts and technologies, these tutorials are specifically designed for biomedical researchers to help them learn a wide range of research concepts, as well as practical applications of bioinformatics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence for science. And the best part? These tutorials are fully public and available to anyone with a self-funded cloud account. Those who prefer to use Cloud Lab to chart their own course can take advantage of full access to the Cloud Console to understand how much it might cost to transition to the cloud, test a specific use case that they may have learned about in a training course or came across in a paper or at a conference, or experiment on their own with cutting-edge technologies like generative AI and quantum computing. Professors and other educators can also take advantage of Cloud Lab to offer cloud-based workshops, courses, or codeathons to groups of life science students or other participants. By default, each participant's Cloud Lab experience ends after they've reached their time limit or once they've exhausted their budget, whichever comes first. For participants who'd like to continue working in the cloud, the National Institutes of Health offers options for transitioning to long-term cloud access at a discount through the NIH Strides program. Ready to get started? Cloud Lab is available at no cost to all recipients of NIH funding, researchers and students at institutions eligible for NIH funding who may not have an active award, and all NIH staff. Signing up is easy. Visit cloud.nih.gov/resources/cloudlab to request an account today and join over 1,000 researchers already using Cloud Lab to grow their skills in the cloud. The sky's the limit. So we'll see you in the cloud.